Most people go to the doctor and take antibiotics instantly to treat kidney infections. Here are some natural ways that you can try. A kidney infection mostly starts when the bacteria spread or enter your kidneys from the urinary tract or bladder. While most kidney infections can be easily treated, but, in rare cases, they can cause serious health problems, especially if ignored or left untreated. A kidney infection, also called pyelonephritis, can spread to one or both kidneys. Kidney infections are quite painful. There are certain natural ways that can help in relieving the symptoms, however, it is best to discuss them with a doctor beforehand. A kidney infection can occur in both children and adults. Keep reading to know about natural ways to treat kidney infections. Common symptoms of kidney infection are abdomen pain, frequent urination, burning while peeing, nausea, and fever. If a kidney infection is not treated properly or on time, it can lead to severe symptoms and even sepsis. Here are 6 natural ways to treat kidney infection without antibiotics. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is being used as a home remedy to treat UTIs and bladder infections for ages. It can be used in cases of kidney infection as well. There is evidence that shows drinking cranberry juice can help in the prevention of urinary tract infections in some people. Many people add the sweet flavor of cranberry juice to water. But, cranberry juice originally is loaded with added sweeteners, and should be taken in moderation. In fact, cranberry supplements, cranberries or pure cranberry juice can be more beneficial for kidney infections. Drink water. Flushing out bacteria from the kidneys is the primary aim when an individual has a kidney infection. Drink at least 10 to 12 glasses of water to eliminate the infection from your body. If a person has kidney failure, they may need to decrease this amount of fluid based on their doctor's recommendations. Drinking plenty of water is one of the cheapest, most safe, and most effective home remedies to treat kidney infections without antibiotics. Drinking plenty of water can be beneficial for your body in many ways. Parsley juice. Just like cranberry juice, parsley juice can also work like magic when it comes to alleviating the symptoms of kidney infection. Parsley juice is a nutrient-dense diuretic that can increase the frequency and quantity of urinating. This will not only help in flushing out the bacteria in the kidneys quickly but will also make antibiotics more effective for treatment. If you are not liking the taste of parsley juice, then you can make a tasty smoothie using parsley along with other flavoring fruits such as cranberries or blueberries, which will also improve results. Probiotics. Probiotics have 2 major benefits when we talk about curing kidney infections. Probiotics foods can keep your body's healthy bacteria in check, even though the antibiotics get rid of both good as well as bad bacteria. There is evidence that proves probiotics can be helpful in reducing antibiotic-related diarrhea in patients. Probiotics improve kidney function and prevent any other infection too. Vitamin C-rich foods are also beneficial to treat kidney infections. Garlic. Garlic is one of the best home remedies for cleansing your kidneys. It helps in flushing out the salt and other toxins in the urine. Garlic contains diuretic properties that help in preventing further kidney diseases as well. You can incorporate garlic into your diet to get relief from the symptoms of a kidney infection. Garlic has allicin present in it that has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal properties to fight off a kidney infection. Having 2 to 3 garlic cloves every day is considered safe. You can also include it in your food. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar or ACV contains malic acid and antibacterial properties that can help in treating kidney infections. It can also prevent the urinary bladder infection from spreading to the kidneys and helps in a quick recovery process. This is a useful natural remedy that is also beneficial to prevent oxidative kidney injury. Just take 2 tablespoons of ACV and mix it with water. Take this liquid regularly until there is relief in pain. You can add honey for better taste and added benefits. Do not overconsume it.